India has entered the fourth phase of its lockdown, which will continue until May 31st. In this phase, the Ministry of Home Affairs has allowed all offices to run at 100% capacity, even though work from home is encouraged to the extent possible. Several guidelines have been issued by the Ministry on preventive measures that need to be followed in workplaces to contain the spread of coronavirus. The guidelines include maintaining a physical distance of at least 1 meter at all times. Use of face covers or masks are mandatory. Also, practice of frequent hand washing and use of sanitizers. Respiratory etiquettes are to be strictly followed. Strict practice of covering one's mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing, etc. Employees will have to self-monitor and report any illness at the earliest. Employees who feel ill or are suffering from flu-like illness are advised not to attend office. Any staff requesting home quarantine based on the containment zone activities in their residential areas should be permitted to work from home. But what happens when someone at the office has coronavirus symptoms or tests positive? A person at office showing symptoms of COVID-19 needs to be placed in a secluded room till they are examined by a doctor. Office will need to report to concerned central or state health authorities. Helpline 1075 will need to be immediately informed. A risk assessment will be undertaken by the designated public health authority, and accordingly further advice shall be made. Suspect cases on an assessment by the health authorities would be placed under home isolation. The rapid response team of the concerned district shall be requisitioned and will undertake the listing of contacts. The necessary actions for contact tracing and disinfection of workplace will start once the report of the patient is received as positive. The report will be expedited for this purpose. If there are 1 or 2 cases reported, the disinfection procedure will be limited to places or areas visited by the patient in the past 48 hours. There is no need to close the entire office building or halt work in other areas of the office, and work can be resumed after disinfection as per laid down protocol. However, if there is a larger outbreak, the entire building will have to be closed for 48 hours after thorough disinfection. All the staff will work from home till the building is adequately disinfected and is declared fit for reoccupation.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Money Control, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Money Control Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Money Control Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Money Control Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Money Control Pro.